The second principle of Agile Manifesto sounds like this. Welcome changing requirements, even late in development. Agile processes harness change for the customer's competitive advantage. Let's dive deeper into this. Let's take a look at the first part about welcoming changing requirements. So to do it, you need a positive mindset. You need to be open to changes and have everything prepared for changes. You need to understand and feel that it's totally okay. Pivoting is normal, and it's normal to pivot often. It's absolutely normal. That should be your mantra. And I understand, and you should also understand that actually welcoming changes is the hardest part, and that definitely needs courage and strength. One of the best things that can help you with welcoming changes is actually the first principle of Agile Manifesto. So that's fast and early delivery and small but valuable increments. When we talk about fast and early delivery, that means that short feedback loop will prevent any accidental change and make any accidental changes not accidental, rather parts of a plan. Speaking about small but valuable increments, actually that means that every piece of your software is small, independent, and ready to be released or deleted at any time, and that actually is helping you. Another great thing to help you with welcoming changes is culture. Actually, two cultures, innovative culture and supportive culture. When we are talking about innovative culture, that means that you need to have a passion for technical excellence. You need to organize knowledge sharing practices. It's great to have some hackathons and etc. So everything that is welcoming innovations actually is welcoming changes, because innovation is a change that is helping you, that is making your processes better. And after spending some time on innovations, you understand that there is nothing scary in changes. Supportive culture is more about soft skills, so mentoring, coaching, teaching, leading by example, servant leadership, etc. So these things can help you and your teammates accept the changes, even when they're really very late. And yes, changes can be really very late, and that works in both sides. Customer can bring changes to you, you can bring changes to a customer, and this can be even somewhere in the end of the project. Some changes appears to be surprising, not only for you, but also for your customers. Of course, some of them are surprises only for you. And of course, there are some changes in market that most probably not only you will face, not only your customer will face, but also some of your competitors. And it's normal. Well, okay, now we are welcoming the changes, and why should we do that? Actually, that's for customers' competitive advantage, and most probably that would be about time to market. There are tons of different models of showing what can be a competitive advantage, but one of the most popular is a Kano model. You can see it right here. This model is divided in features into three categories: exciters, wants, and musts, depending on what customers think about these features. That's a really very popular model. You can spend some time on understanding it better. Second popular model is a holistic model. I definitely advise you to research it more. And why should you care from the first place? Well, actually, because you want your customer to have a competitive advantage. You want to understand that all that pain with the changes is not a waste, is for having a competitive advantage, is for raising more money, having more customers, having more value. And you don't need to have changes just for having changes. You need to have changes for competitive advantage, and you need to think about competitive advantages all the time. Basically, understanding that the change that you are working on right now is leading you to a better way, to a greater solution, to have a competitive advantage, is actually helping you to accept that, okay, I need to spend more time to have this function done, because this will be my competitive advantage. This will help me. This will help my customer. And this is the end. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button. Bye bye.